railroad is kind of the first network that the country had. Morse code ran beside the railroads, and telecom did the same thing. It takes you from point A to point B through the back roads and unseen sights of America. That site is actually connecting Los Angeles to Washington, D.C., and D.C. to Seattle. These little things are actually the big things that are making America work right now.
There's a lot that goes into shipping a box that weighs, 90,000 pounds.
We're working with a partner that's doing concrete. We're working with a partner that's prefabbing these shelters for us. Crane company, permitting and jurisdiction. It takes a lot of work getting everybody synced up on the same page.
So right now, this is the view of the entire network that we're working on. Every single dot on this particular map represents one of our ILAs. My name's Leon Coons. I'm the Director of Engineering for Custom Network Solutions. It's a very exciting team to be on right now. We are basically laying the road for the future of AI and the future of telecommunication.
My name is Jason Abernethy. I am the Senior Manager of Construction in the West Region. Our engineers at Lumen designed a new shelter, something we could update and renew and scale for the future.
These shelters are basically triple the power density than what we've traditionally seen over the last 20 years. We've configured it to be as plug and play as possible so we can have the highest quality output that feels and looks the same across the country. We are providing power to every single relay rack day one. So basically when the order comes in, we sign it, the customer put their equipment in there, we plug the fiber and it's turned on.
These shelters are solid concrete. They're ballistic rated for the mission critical equipment that's inside.
This is the first shelter for this 3-year project for our company. My name is Zach Barnes. I'm the lead construction manager for Custom Networks in the Eastern region. Customers are coast to coast. You got to connect the dots, so that's what we're doing. The fiber is following these railroad tracks coming from Kansas City, shoots between these two shelters here, and there's a manhole. From that manhole, it goes into the shelter, comes up, goes into the equipment to be amplified. It'll come back out to the railroad, shoots down to the next stop on the route.
The best part of the Custom Networks team is we've rejuvenated the telecom space. Now we're building a new network dedicated for the future. And I get to be a part of it, and that's exciting.